Hi, this is Professor DeFrance. Welcome back. Now, we were finishing off with the readings. Let's see, I think we were here basically at the end in the modern section. From if it's not in the book, of course, it's on the web page. You'll find this unit or this module, the readings are in different sections. They're all right here together, like there's one right after the other. In the opening section, this is just general information on the art at the time period, postmodernism in general. You'll find your relevant study guides here. These are for the main texts in the course. Sorry. Then you'll see the next section here is on the lost generation. This would include Hemingway, Eliot, Gertrude Stein. So you see some of those represented there, as well as a general informational reading on the period. The dystopian literature section, which again has some relevant examples and a general informational guide to what dystopian literature is. Post-colonialism, that section has a lot of the same information, some readings. I do include some of the Harlem Renaissance in there as well. Even though I should honestly just make that into its own section. Modern horror, I mean, technically it can fall there, but not everyone who is a member of the Harlem Renaissance falls into the category of post-colonial literature. But I guess that's kind of a minor aside, because we're really only talking about Richard Wright. Claude McKay does fall under the post-colonial section, even though he is also in the Harlem Renaissance. I could explain it, but I'll go and explain it to you. So he's an immigrant, right, from another country. So his work does fall under post-colonial. He's from the from the West Indies. Richard Wright, however, is, I believe, born here in America, which would make his work just Harlem Renaissance, not post-colonial. But other than that small caveat, it's fine. Modern horror gives you the same stuff there. We have some, unfortunately, you can't find Stephen King's work for free on the internet, aside from a work like this, which is not a work of horror, but it's more of like an academic explanation of horror, which is very interesting, actually. Section on feminism and feminist literature has some Indian work, some poetry, little Joan Didion, some classic feminism there. And that pretty much rounds out that section there. And what you don't see on the webpage, it's in the book, right? That's from Norton. That's from the Norton. You got the Hemingway, James Baldwin. Some Claude McKay is in the book as well. So we'll take a look at those. Some Eliot, some Gabriel Garcia Marquez in the book. All right, so all that's in the book. You got your postmodern section here, which includes some Jamaica Kincaid, some Tahar Ben-Jelloun. So you have your some female West Indian perspective. You have the, one of my favorite Moroccan authors, Tahar Ben-Jelloun, an award-winning Moroccan author. We don't have time to read his work called Corruption, but I love that piece. And then at the end here, last couple weeks, these are going to just be in that same section there if they're not in the book. These are also modern, postmodern. So let's say this one here is on the web page, on the web page. On the web page, yeah. Most of these are on the web page. Some of these are in the book, and that should pretty much bring you to the end of our reading section. All right, thank you so much, and have a great day.